Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time of coming across my Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Turn on your notification bell so that whenever I'm uploading a new video, you will not miss out. I'm Slayibiuwabh. I'm a YouTuber, I'm a makeup artist, and also a little monk. I eat a little monk. That is why I call it little monk. So I cook also. You can see what I'm having here today. I have a melussa, and I have bell pepper, I have tomato, I have my onions and my garlic. I chop my little garlic so that I will be using it to spice everything up. So, and I have my spinach in here. So I'm going to prepare this for a family of 3 guys. It's not much, so you can use it to eat rice, yam, plantain, whatever you think of eating it with anyway. So it's just some kind of only fish alone. I'm not adding meat to it, just fish. Okay guys, so stay tuned and let's fry it. I want to fry it now. I'm frying the fish now. Okay guys, I actually know that some people will be wondering why is the fish like this. I actually spice it up with rosemary, ginger, and garlic paste mixed together, and curry, a little mangi. That's all. And what again? Yeah, garlic and ginger. Yeah, so that's what I use to spice it up. So I will not be adding a little pinch of salt. Also is added. So let's fry. So guys, I'm going to be frying. So that is it. So let the frying continue, and when it's ready, I will bring it back. So guys, as you can see, I fried the fish. So my pan was a little bit, brownish inside, so I have to sieve out the oil. Definitely it's going to be brownish because of the spice we use to spice up the fish. So I decided to sieve the oil and rewash my pan, because this is the pan I'm going to use to fry everything together, so that you not have that kind of the bell pepper and the tomato together. Okay guys, so guys, as you can see, I sieve my oil after frying the fish and rewash my pan. So I'm adding my garlic, my onion. That is it guys. I don't know how to manage stuff when I guys. That is how I do my cooking. I don't know how to jump what I want to use. And so guys, I already have my onions fried, and I'm going to bring it out because I don't want it to melt. So I'm going to be. So guys, I already have my pepper here. I have my Scotch bonnet also. So I'm going to allow it to fry. Okay guys, allow it to fry. So after this one, then we add our tomato. Okay guys, after this we add our tomato. Yes, my cooking. Okay, that make me to be a good cook. So guys, you can see the way our food is bubbling. Wow guys, this is it. You can see how it's so delicious and very simple guys. If you actually prepare this kind of recipe, do not hesitate to tag me. So guys, thanks for watching. See you